Hey, welcome back to another video for our PHP 2 class. We've reached milestone number 2, and so in this milestone I'd like you to create a product catalog display, and so you're simply going to list all the products that are in your store. So you can use the model that we created here for our searching of employees. So this is a search module, and then we have the search results. So the search results are going to be the second item where we display a search, so at least by the name, and then we can put them into a nice view. So what do other product searches look like? Here is an example of, I'm not sure what website this is, but they have a nice grid of all their products that they're listing. And so nice color, we've got alternate rows that are shaded, and we got nice aligned decimal points. Some people have, looks like Bootstrap is what they're using, and they're using tables to pre-format their work. Some are going to go a little bit more beyond that, and they've already got photos to display along with just the names and prices. Here's another example. How do you create these fancy formatted grids like this? Well, the answer is you're probably going to use the program called Bootstrap. That seems to be the simplest one. Get Bootstrap is super popular, and if you're looking for those things that are like the little cells of products, they're called cards. And so right here in their documentation under components, they give you some demos of how to format cards. So if you're into CSS formatting and the tricks that come with Bootstrap, this is a great starting place here. Now what else do you need to do? So not only create the code, but we have some design. So standard design report template. So we want to know the basic information about your team and about what version number we're on. Your get URL, so are you posting your code onto the GitHub? Let's take a look at what we have so far, a sitemap. So you can update your sitemap since we have a couple of pages. We have an index page, we have a search page, an ER diagram. What is that? That is your database design. And so you should see something that looks like this here. This is my ER diagram. And just take a screenshot straight out of MySQL Workbench. And then the next is a flow chart outlining the business logic. So this tells us where you can go from one link to another. So the next item says completed security design. So we didn't talk about it, but in our authentication, we set the session variable so that it allows certain people to look at your pages. We haven't really gotten to checkouts yet, but if you were to protect certain pages, you would use the security class that we created a couple of tutorials ago. Payment methods, we haven't gotten to that yet. If you've done any sketching on whiteboards or on your paper, put them in so we can see what you were thinking as you design your document. And then of course keep a list of issues that you know are broken and need to be worked on. So there's your milestone 2. It's the code plus the technical documents that go along with it, and you're going to upload that into the class board in LoudCloud.